What is Bitcoin? There's a lot of confusion out there, but it's actually really simple. Bitcoin is just digital money on the internet. You can send it to anyone, anywhere in the world, and it's basically just a way to transfer value. So who invented Bitcoin? The answer is that nobody knows. In 2008, there was a computer science paper that was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. And to date, nobody has figured out who this person or group of people are that wrote down this idea. But at its heart, it was fundamentally a breakthrough in computer science. It solved a problem that to date had not been solved, which was how do you transfer value between two people on the internet without any trusted intermediary in the middle? And when they solved that, it had really wide-reaching implications for the world, because our financial system today is made up of intermediaries all over the world. Banks, credit card companies, lending companies, governments. If the world had an open financial system where anybody could send payments between each other without trusted intermediaries, we'd have a world that was more free, had more innovation, more efficiency, and more equality of opportunity. Personally, I got really excited about Bitcoin because if the world had one universal currency that ran on the internet, I think it could really help people. There'd be a more global economy, and there'd be a level playing field for everyone around the world to access it.